Oh hey guys, welcome to Bangin Gears. I'm Frank. This is the YouTube channel about everything automotive. Today is day 4 of Crusin Ocean City's Endless Summer Car Show event. It's the last video in a series of 4, and we're also going to do a giveaway like we always do. It's going to be this Bangin Gears fleece. This is the men's. It's a little different than what we usually do. It's got pockets and stuff like that. And this is the women's right here. We always got you covered, ladies. Always got you covered. And of course, you're also going to get a Bangin Gears COVID mask. So what you need to do is be subscribed to Bangin Gears on YouTube, like and comment on this video, and that'll put you in the running to win all the Bangin Gears merch. In a video coming out next week, all the winners will be announced. So sit back, relax, enjoy today's video, drive safe on your way home, and we'll catch you at the Crusin Ocean City event in May. We'll catch you next time on Bangin Gears.
Every day I'm looking for a way to return to the time when everything was easy to learn. Don't know when it started to get so serious, building up an illusion of a world full of trust, moving on when everything's gone. It's hard to be strong